Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am Kamrun Nahar from Boston, USA. The reason for joining the business for me is my kids. I am a mother of two special need kids and I'm working as a behavioral therapist too. But the situation was demanding from me to sit back home and taking care of my kids. So I did that. I quit my job and I started the business. This business gave me a lot of things and I'm very happy to have it because I can take care of my kids and at the same time I am doing some work and I can earn from home. The best part of the business is mentor, one-to-one mentorship. So many business can offer you so many things, but no one will offer you a mentorship. You will have a mentor all the way of your journey to teach you and to learn. So it's a great opportunity. You can try it definitely. It may change your life like mine. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.